Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect two bearings together so they act as one and they can support each other. So to begin, first of all, place these bearings where you like them, place some blocks on them, just like this, and let's say like this. And now we'll need to have the tool, weld tool, which you can craft inside of the craft bot from some metal block level 2s, component kits, and circuit boards. Once you have it, you want to pick it out, and as you can see, you'll see the whole creation light up. And what you'll need to do is place your creation on a lift. If it's not on a creation and it's welded to the ground, you don't need to put it on a lift. And now, as you can see, when it's on the lift, you'll see the individual parts that are disconnected by bearings. So now just go ahead and lift and hold, click on the one part and go towards the second one and stop the holding the button. And as you can see, now it is one part only. And when I remove the lift, as you can see, it is a single part. So this is pretty much all, how to connect two bearings in Scrap Mechanic. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.